Hello, you're very welcome to Gerry's DIY. If it's your first time here, you'd like to learn how to make stoves, waste oil burners and a ton of other DIY projects. Today we're actually tiling. You can start now by subscribing and click on the bell notification so you don't miss anything. Okay. So I'm renovating here and I just tiled the floor and I used this tile leveling system. Now I bought this myself, it's not sponsored, but I found it absolutely brilliant. I found that, you know, it definitely brought my skill level up or brought the job up to a different skill level altogether. Really, really brilliant. These were about, I don't know, maybe 20 sterling, something like that. It came with, you know, 100 of these pull-up tabs, these things. And it came with 50 wedges. Now the truth is, I ran out of maybe 2 or 3 of these, and that was on 8 yards of tiles. So, you know, you'd want more maybe, but it was just barely sufficient. But I have to say they were brilliant. You know, if you get a tile that you can't get up, you know, you'd have to take it up with all the stuff on the back of it and, you know, pack it up on the corner because there's a corner low or high, you know, you're trying to tap it down. This system I found brilliant. I'm going to show you the system now. So it comes with one of these guns. So for 20 sterling, I got this thing, which is, you know, surprisingly good. 50 of these wedges, and I got 100 of these pull-up tabs. That was for 20 sterling. Now, normally I use these things. These are just your standard, you know, cross-shaped spacers. And they're very good, but they have limitations. You know, if a tile is in too far, this won't solve it. It'll just space them out. Now, I've already tiled the floor here. I haven't grouted it yet, but I'm just going to show you how you use these pull-up tabs. As I say, they're brilliant. They're new to me, and I found them an absolute revelation. Now I'm just going to do a quick demo. Look, we've just got some offcuts of tiles. I didn't cut these specially. And we're just going to put these pull-up tabs, throw on a few of them. Now the tabs, once they're used, they're gone. The wedges are reusable. So, now I know this is dry and it's not, you know, difficult conditions or anything like that. But look, I'll just show you something now. Throw these wedges in under. They have kind of a serrated side, you know, stepped. And that goes through there. And that's it, look. They're just your typical spacers now at this stage. And to do with a couple more wedges. Okay, so just about have enough wedges left. And look, you can put them in any direction, it doesn't matter. Get your tiles spaced, you know, push them tight against the, you know, the spacers as you would if they were the little cross spacers. And then use the tool. There's a little notch on the tool, sits over the wedge. That's it. And it's designed so that you can't keep pushing it in and snap the thing. So that's it. We'll just do a bit more. So I just wanted to show you, you know, how tight these things get it. When I was doing a couple of the tiles last night, you know, they were mismatched. Normally I'd have to take it up, put some more under it, drop it down and, you know, tap out the surplus adhesive. But that's not the case with these things. You can tap them all right. But look, that's brilliant. You can't do that with tile spacers, you know, and that's what the back of it looks like. Maybe you can see that. And that's how they work. I find them absolutely brilliant. Now, yesterday was the first time I used them. And I've no, you know, normally you take your time. I'm not a tiler, you know, so anything that helps me get the job done and looking well is great. This was €20 or £20, so I don't know, 23, 24 euro or something like that for the system. But it meant I didn't have to hire somebody in to do the tiling. Just did it myself, you know. So that's it. And to get them out, you just kick them, literally, and they snap off. You know, they've got a built-in weakness so that they snap off just leaving the base in, and the top bit, the vertical piece, just breaks out. And that's it. You just adhesive, or you just grout over them then. Isn't that brilliant? I think that's great. Okay, I'm going to show you getting them out now. Now getting them out is very easy. Look, you can just kick them and they snap off, and that's it. So hopefully you can see this. So definitely this tile leveling system for my 2 foot by 2 foot, 600 by 600 tiles made it an awful lot easier for me to get down. You know, these have square edges, machine cut edges, and if they were off by a bit, you would see it. And these things were a dream. They really made it a lot easier for me to do. Now, I'm not a tiler. I like to do my own stuff, and it's done a really good job for me. I'll definitely use them again. So one of the things that makes tiling a little bit easier to do is one of these profile gauges. These are all of about maybe 10 or 12 euros, something like that. And you just push it in, and there's your profile. Couldn't be easier. And to straighten it out, that's it straightened out. And to do it somewhere else, brilliant. And you just transfer, you know, just go around that with your pencil and transfer your line onto your tile and scribe that out of your tile. Offer it up, boom, done. Couldn't be easier. You know, better than a piece of cardboard or tin foil or something and a pencil, all that sort of stuff. But look, I'm going to leave it there for now. If you like the video, please thumbs up, subscribe down here, that'd be great. If you want to see more of this sort of videos, let me know in the comments below. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now. Good luck. Thanks very much. Bye.